Now let's look at 5 prompts for livestock and farm operations. And the goal of this lesson is to show you how ChatGPT can support routines, communication, and documentation in livestock and operational settings. So first of all, let's look why this matters. Livestock and farm operations rely on routines, consistency, and communication. Many useful tasks are not about advanced AI at all. They are all about having better checklists, clearer SOPs, standard operating procedures, and easier training materials. Let's look at prompt number 11, Daily Livestock Checklist. This kind of prompt is good for routine management, staff handover, and internal consistency. It helps ensure that important observation points are not forgotten during busy periods. Let's look at prompt number 12, Standard Operating Procedure. ChatGPT is very strong at turning a process into a structured procedure. This is valuable for training, documentation, and standardization. Of course, the final SOP should be reviewed against your actual protocols and regulatory requirements for compliance. The next prompt is about staff training in simple language. So this is a very useful application. Often the problem is not lack of technical knowledge, but the ability to explain it clearly. ChatGPT can help simplify complex ideas without making them childish. Our next prompt is about incident reporting. This saves time and improves professionalism. Instead of struggling with wording, you can give a model your rough notes and ask it about organizing them into a clean report. This is especially useful when events are time-sensitive and you need a record quickly. Next slide, Biosecurity communication. So, communication is a major part of operational discipline. ChatGPT is very useful for short notices, signs, internal guidance, and staff reminders, so you can even ask for different tones, either formal, simple, direct, or multilingual. Finally, let's look at key takeaway from this lesson. In livestock and operations, ChatGPT is often most valuable in simple, repeatable tasks, checklists, procedures, training, and documentation. Those may not feel glamorous, but they create real practical value.